Okay, here's the deal. I've said this so many times, I'm exhausted. So I thought I'd make a video and say it. So the next time somebody asks the question, I'm just going to tell you to go watch the video. Here's the deal. You do not risk $300 to make $100. Bad math, bad science. You don't risk $200 to make $100. You would never, ever, ever risk more than $100 unless there was a potential to make more than $100. On every Concierge Trade Alert, we don't want to risk more than $300 per contract per trade, less if possible. Every Logic 247 alert has two targets. There's an initial 2-point target, and there's a trade 2 target. When you receive an alert, or when you spot a setup, like we've taught you how to establish your stop loss. If the distance from your stop loss or from your entry to your target is not at least as great or greater than the amount of stop loss that you're required to assign to the trade to make it a real trade, there's no trade. So, for clarity, do not risk $300 to make $100. Do not risk $200 to make $100. If the trade potential is $300 or $325 or $1,000, you can risk whatever percentage of that you want on the trade. But you never, ever risk more than the potential reward. Now, if you're not already a partner, if you're not already a member, not already a passport holder, you can start your training today. Call Valerie, 949-42-EMINI, or send her an email, support@cfrn.net. No money down, no payment for 6 months. We're ready to make an investment in you. When's the last time somebody did that? Go to eminitrainingschool.com. Get started on the journey. I'll see you on the internet.